Central Ballard County, Kentucky, Central McCracken County, Kentucky, until 4:30 a.m. At 1:31 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Central Ballard County, Kentucky, Central McCracken County, Kentucky, until 4:30 a.m.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Between 1.5
Expected
and
hazards
2.5
include
inches
flash
of
flooding
rain
caused
has
by
fallen.
thunderstorms.
The expected rainfall
Source,
rate is
radar
1.5
and automated
to 2
gauges.
inches in 1 hour.
The following impacts are
Additional
expected:
rainfall
flash
amounts of
flooding
1
of
to 2
small
inches
creeks
are
and
possible
streams,
in the
urban
warned
areas,
area.
highways,
Flash
streets,
flooding is
and
ongoing or
underpasses, as well as
expected to
other
begin
poor
shortly.
drainage and low-lying
Expected
areas.
hazards include flash
Some
flooding caused
locations
by
that will experience
thunderstorms.
flash flooding include
Source,
Paducah,
radar
Los
and
Angeles,
automated
Lone
gauges.
Oak, Reedland.
The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
A flash
highways,
flood warning has
streets,
been
and
issued until
underpasses, as
4:30
well as
a.m. for the
other poor
following
drainage
counties
and
in
low-lying
Kentucky,
areas.
Ballard, and
Some
McCracken.
locations that will experience flash flooding include Paducah, Los Angeles, Lone Oak, Reedland, Barlow, Barkley Regional Airport, West Paducah, and Kevel. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:30 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken.